Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for File Manager app. Enter it. And right here you've got the Recents, where you can browse the recent files. And in Browse you've got all files on your smartphone. You can check your images, documents, audio, video, zips, applications and others. Also, you can clean the storage from junk files. If you go to My Phone, you can check your internal storage. If you go to X-Hide, you can set password and protect your files. If you go to Menu, you can enable or disable Show Hidden Files, leave feedback, check user agreement, privacy policy, and software version. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.